Do you want to lose your excess weight and burn the extra fat in your body? Do you feel uncomfortable due to your body shape and size? Have you been trying to find a program that will help you get through this? If you have any of the above, then you can finally breathe, because you happen to be in the right place. Weight loss happens to be one difficult task. Mainly, when you have a busy schedule and you have less time for yourself. But, did you know you can get your body in shape and get to lose the excess weight? Imagine achieving the perfect figure through an all-natural method. How does this happen? It is through finding the best and genuine program that you will pull through within the shortest time possible. Literally, it is all about Detoxal Burn. Go through this review to learn more about what it has to offer. What is Detoxal Burn? Detoxal Burn is an effective and efficient weight loss program that helps you to burn excess fat in your body in the shortest time possible. Basically, it is a supplement that is used for weight loss. In summary, it works by increasing your metabolism rate and decreases the weight of your body. It ensures that your metabolism performs in such a way that it works for you without any repercussions. The outcome of this is that it increases the energy level in the body. On the other hand, we can say that it is an innovative program that will help your weight loss and weight gain. It will help you eradicate the excess weight in your body and by burning fat, thus giving you a fine figure and shape. Even better, it is an all-natural program. By promoting ketosis in your body, you will see fast results, from weight loss to clarity of mind, resulting in an increase of energy levels. This will help you burn fat and achieve the body that you always desire. Literally, Detoxal Burn is a supplement that is rich in omega-7 that is very effective when it comes to boosting your body health. This happens best by reducing your cholesterol levels, reduction of arterial plaque. About the author, Adam Wright. Adam Wright is the man behind this program. He is an experienced trainer and nutritionist. I know you are so eager to learn about the author of this program. Whenever it comes to our bodies, we are very keen on whose guide we are going to use. That is why it is important to know the author of the program before you even use it. This man has gone through hell, excuse my French, to get in shape. He had tried to lose weight in different ways, but he could not pull through. Little by little, he researched deeply and also experimented on himself. He was finally able to get to the deep root of weight loss and happened to achieve the body of his desires. Those are the same secrets that he instills in this program. Through this guide, you can comfortably achieve the body you always desire. How does it work? This is one very unique weight loss program that you will come across. Mainly, because it induces fast ketosis in your body, which initiates effective fat burning. Sometimes, we happen to get products through reviews and we later get discouraged when it comes to using them. With this program, you are fully covered as it is very simple to handle. Thus, you should have no worries when buying it. It aims at burning fat and controlling your appetite. Basically, as you boost your ketosis, you will be able to control your appetite and stop cravings. Even more, it also helps to maintain cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Also, it regulates the immune system in the best way possible. When your body has a healthy metabolic system, it speeds up the utilization of fats in the body. This leads to a healthier weight loss. What will you get from Detoxal Burn? Once you opt for this program, there are a number of things that you will get from it. Mainly, it will help increase your metabolism rate. On top of that, you will get to increase your energy levels, achieving nothing but the best lifestyle for you. Here are a number of benefits that this program offers. The supplements will help you with handling wrinkles, acne, fine lines, scars, and other skin conditions. The supplements will help you to stay energetic. This will always keep you healthy. Through this regime, you will learn the errors that many nutritionists and doctors, as well as patients, make as they handle the weight loss. It will help you bypass the things that stand on your way or block your body from losing weight. Detoxal Burn will provide you with suggestions on how you can activate your fat cells for providing energy. This will consume stored fat. The product will help you achieve the body figure and shape that you desire. Moreover, the program is equipped with a 60-day money-back guarantee that further boosts its authenticity. If it happens that you don't enjoy the benefits of this program, you got 2 good months of free trial and you can claim your money back. What did I get from Detoxal Burn? Well, the main problem I found when looking online was that there were too many options. I didn't know what to choose or where to start. There is this thing called fear of missing out, and I didn't want to miss on any great diet by choosing a wrong one for me. In the end, I was lucky enough to choose Detoxal Burn after reading some reviews. Better lifestyle. As someone with food allergies and little time to exercise, I had to find a diet that would adapt to my dietary restrictions. Most healthy diets either force feed you vegetables or force you to eat everything. First, I learned how to eat without triggering my allergies. Then, I went on creating a routine for my food. Little by little, my health started to get better, I was visibly less bloated, and my joint pain decreased a lot. Will to exercise? No, you don't have to work out 30 minutes a day in the beginning. Instead, what I did was to go out for a walk around my block every day. Although climbing my apartment's stairs was enough exercise, I walked a little bit more. As I progressed in taking Detoxal Burn, I was able to walk 5 minutes more, and so on. I remember celebrating after I completed my first 30 minutes. How? Well, since I started being less bloated and my joints stopped hurting, I was more at ease with people seeing me, and it didn't hurt to walk or climb the stairs. After that, everything went uphill for my health and downhill for my weight. Hey, I'm far from being a competitive athlete, but now I look like a human, and that's okay with me. Confidence. Have you noticed how your normal looking, yet mediocre, colleagues get all the promotions? Partly because people are biased against fat people, and partly because slim people don't know that there is a confidence to them most of us don't have. As I started to lose weight, I noticed how people's voice tones and looks changes. They went from being nice and condescending to treating me as an equal. To me, it seemed as if they kept thinking that I had bigger problems than work because I was fat. Also, I stopped feeling as if I had to make room for others. Instead, I started to reclaim my place, and others respected it. It was as if a veil had come off of the other people's eyes and they were seeing me as a person. Being treated as an equal was, to my surprise, a huge confidence booster. Stop trying to fit in. I guess you can do this at any point in your life, but it was different for me. With time, while I kept losing weight and people were more accepting, instead of me going straight into it, I noticed it was worth it. Basically, I wanted to be healthier and look the part, nothing else. In the beginning, I was excited about being included more often in plans and outings. Later, I understood it was also because of my weight loss. Yes, it was nice to have that experience, but I wanted to be invited because of who I am. Little by little, I realized the small value that others give to your personality, and rather see how much you look the way they expect you to look. It's crazy. I had worked on my personality and culture since I was little, but this thing I had tried for months was the key to it all. Although I took it out of convenience, I stopped caring. Ultimate freedom. When you stop caring and become healthy, there is nothing that can hold you back. Basically, you can do anything you want and the world will be watching. This is how life is really supposed to be. This is what you deserve. You will get this and more with these supplements. Conclusion. You may have tried to work out on different programs, but it turned out that they offer nothing despite their promises. But that does not stop you from losing weight and achieving the figure of your choice. All you need to do is to make the right choice. This is one of the few scam-free programs that you will ever come across. A guide that offers nothing but the best to its customers. Moreover, you are protected by a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's how much the creator trusts his program. Buy it right away and you will have nothing but the best. A scam-free program that will change your looks and improve your health in general. Pros: by using this product, you will be able to get a healthy lifestyle and you will get to lose weight and keep yourself healthy and safe. Detoxal Burn is basically fit for anyone who feels the need to lose some weight and live a healthy life. It not only changes your shape, size, and figure, but it also improves your relationship with your diet. By just opting for this program, you can completely reverse your toxic overload and achieve the best results. It is a useful program and is ideal for everyday life. It is fairly safe since it has no negative side effects to its users. It guarantees you a 60-day money-back refund. In case you are not satisfied, you can request your money back. Cons: the results may vary from one individual to the other. This is because people are different, thus some may take a longer time than the others. This program can only be purchased from the official website. It is not distributed in other shops or at Amazon. Summary: Detoxal Burn is an effective weight loss supplement created to help you lose weight and maintain a safe and healthy lifestyle. It is based in a unique compound that is designed to help you achieve the body that you desire. Rating rated 5 stars. Check the link description to check it out.